Surah Al-Baqarah Ayah 13.
وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ آمِنُوا كَمَا آمَنَ النَّاسُ قَالُوا أَنُؤْمِنُ كَمَا آمَنَ السُّفَهَاءُ أَلَا إِنَّهُمْ هُمُ السُّفَهَاءُ وَلَكِنْ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ.
Translation. And when it is said to them, believe as others have believed, they reply, should we believe as the foolish ones have believed? Indeed, it is they who are the foolish, but they do not know it. What does this ayah mean? Imagine someone tells you, eat your veggies like your friends do, it's good for you. But instead of listening, you say, why should I eat veggies? Only silly people do that. But guess what? You're the one being silly, by not eating healthy. This ayah is about people who think they're super smart, but they're actually being foolish. When someone tells them to follow the truth, like believing in Allah, they mock others and say, we won't listen to those silly people. But Allah says, they're the ones being silly, and don't even realize it. What are the lessons? First, don't make fun of others for doing good things. Second, listen to wise advice, even if you think you know better. Third, being humble is smarter than acting proud. This ayah exposes the hypocrisy of those who arrogantly reject faith while mocking believers. They dismiss the truth by labeling sincere people as foolish, but Allah flips the script, they are the ones blinded by their arrogance and ignorance. The deeper lesson is about self-awareness and humility. Hypocrites project their flaws onto others, refusing to see their own ignorance. True wisdom lies in recognizing the truth, even if it requires swallowing pride. What we are learning from this is: arrogance blocks growth, humility opens doors to truth. Mocking others' faith reflects insecurity, not intelligence. Reflect on your own biases before judging others' choices. If you liked this explanation, then like, share, and subscribe for more Quranic wisdom and family-friendly Islamic content.